This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, October the 2nd. Key points to go over is we have a dry cold front that'll arrive today. It'll bring 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts to the region today. Another cold front arrives for Friday into Saturday. We'll see wind gusts 20 to 35 miles per hour with that one, especially across the central mountain areas. And also we could see some very light rain from that. Some models are indicating a little bit of light precipitation occurring with that across the mountains and portions of the eastern highlands, mainly up in Island Park area Friday night. So looking at our satellite image today, you see clear skies over our area, but you see a very defined line of clouds starting to advance down from the north, and that is our cold front that'll be moving into the region. Breezy conditions today, and we do have a lake wind advisory in effect for the American Falls Reservoir today. Looks like breezy conditions once again Friday. Highs today generally in the 60s up north and then the 70s down south. Humidities today generally in the teens to perhaps some low 20s running around. And once again, breezy conditions, especially out across the Arco Desert out by INL, 30-35 mile per hour wind gusts there. Elsewhere, generally sitting in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range for wind gusts today. Looking at our highs for Thursday, it is a couple degrees cooler behind that cold front, generally highs in the 60s to around 70. And then humidity is a little bit drier as well, generally in the teens to low 20s across most of the region. And then our high winds on Thursday, less breezy, very light, generally 10 to 15 mile per hour gusts at most on Thursday. As we go into Friday, temperatures warm up ahead again, ahead of that next cold front. You see widespread 70s to low to mid 80s in some places. Humidities generally in the teens, perhaps some around 20% humidity in the afternoon. And then our winds on Friday, very breezy out ahead of that front, generally 30-35 mile per hour winds likely across the Arco Desert and out into the central mountains. Elsewhere, generally looking at 20-25 mile per hour wind gusts Friday afternoon. So just to summarize, we have a dry cold front coming today. It'll bring 20-35 mile per hour gusts to the region today. Another cold front arrives for Friday and Saturday. Wind gusts of 20 to 35 miles per hour likely, especially across the central Idaho mountains. And maybe some very light rain for the mountains and highlands Friday night. So that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.